My name is Annika, and I am Senior Factory Director at Blades Factory at Nakskov. My responsibility is very much to ensure that production is running and we deliver according to expectation, both on safety, the expected quality, the expected delivery time, as well as on the lowest possible cost. The part of my job I find most enjoyable and motivating is to be able to improve and develop both individuals as well as the organization. My passion is really the blade production, and it's because the complexity in the processes, it's because of the size of the blades we are producing, and finally I think that being able really to deliver to the sustainable energy I find really exciting. I'm really passionate about the work, but I also need to charge my batteries. That's why I like bicycling. And this gives me both physical challenge and remember what are we producing. It makes me really proud when I can see that either on the individual level or on the organizational level, we really improve, we make a change, we make a difference. This really makes me proud.